friends. Welcome to Art Tutorials, your one-stop shop for all cool tech hacks. Before we move on to this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to get the latest cool tech hacks directly to you. Alright, so today's tech hack, a lot of you have been asking in comments, how do we cast a YouTube video to our TV? So I am assuming you would have a casting device like a Chromecast or Roku, which helps you, or even a smart TV for that case, and then you can use YouTube to cast to directly to TV. That's really cool, right? So you can play a YouTube video from your Mac, from your PC, or from your mobile device, and just click on a button, and you should be good to cast onto your TV. So it's better always to watch on bigger screen, right? All right, so let's learn how do we cast any video from YouTube directly to our TV. So for example, this is my channel page, friends. So I'm picking any of the video here. For example, how do you add channel keywords? So so this is how you would be seeing the video on your PC or a Mac. The same applies to even on your device as well, which is mobile, iPhone, Android, anything. All right, so to cast to your TV, make sure that your TV is connected to any casting device, either Chromecast, Apple, or Roku, or any smart TV casting device. And you would see an option which says play on TV. You will only see this option if there is a casting device that you have connected. Remember that. So if you see a casting icon here, play on TV, if the casting is not set up or it's not connected, you will not see this option. So make sure that you see this option. So once you see this option, click on that option and you would see cast YouTube. So now it will tell you select the source. That means what do you want to cast. So by default it's the casting tab, because since I'm using a Mac. So my source is youtube.com, and I'm casting a particular tab. Do you want to cast the entire desktop? That's up to you. So it's asking you what do you want to cast basically on your TV, what do you want to see, whether you want to see the entire desktop, entire screen, or you just want to see a YouTube tab that you're seeing currently. So in our case, so once you see this is the device, it says it's a Chromecast. That's the device that I have, and once you click on that, it would give you an option to cast and play. So it will not, you will, it's not, it is paused here, which means it's playing on my TV. So you can see here, you can see it says connected to Siram and playing on Siram, right? So this is the simplest thing, but important thing, like I said, friends, is to make sure that you are connected to a device and your TV is connected to the casting device as well. In my case, it's Chromecast. You can have any device that's there for you. So how do you stop that? You click again the option. It will give you an option. It shows that currently you're playing this particular video from YouTube, and what do you want to do. Either you can play, you can mute, or you can just stop. So this is now stopped, so now it's not playing on the TV anymore, and you can again play back on your Mac. So that's how you cast any YouTube video directly to your TV. So make sure you have the casting device enabled to connect it to your TV. All right, so this was a really cool tech hack. I believe a lot of you have been asking for this. Please do let me know if you need any help with this tutorial. I'll be happy to help you. Before we leave, once again, friends, please keep supporting by subscribing, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.